Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to your CLAS for Chem 1A. I'm Georgia. I'm your virtual tutor for this quarter. I just wanted to do a couple things in this video. Just say hey, so you guys know I'm a real person. You can ask me questions. I don't just live in these little YouTube videos. I exist. And I wanted to kind of explain to you guys how CLAS is going to work this quarter now that we are online. So let's go ahead and delve into that. Well, yeah, so here we are online. You're here with me. So a little bit about me, I graduated from UCSB, so already got that degree, done with all this stuff. I was a bio major, so shout out to all the bio majors out there. I promise you, taking chem is worth it. You use chem and bio. And yeah, some of you guys are probably ES majors, biochem majors, bio-psych majors, also psych majors, also just chemistry majors, right? So that's awesome that you guys are all here getting Chem 1A done. I also do CLAS for intro bio, so if you guys take that, you might see me there. So see you later, maybe in person. Coming at you live from my garage. So yeah, I'm recording these in a garage, so just think about that when you watch these videos. If you hear any weird noises, it's probably just regular garage noises. It's your first time learning online. It's also my first time teaching online. So you're probably going to see CLAS evolve a little bit. I'll probably do different things as we go on, and we figure out what's going to work for you guys and what's going to work for me. One thing I always really look forward to when I have in-person CLASs is the questions students ask me before and after CLAS, or just even when I'm reading your guys' spaces, I can be people are confused about this. I can go into that more. Since we won't have that physical interaction where I can't really gauge how you're doing, I need you guys to ask me lots of questions, right? So you're super not alone in this. I want to hear from you guys and hear what's working, what's not working. Just see where you're at. So yeah, so that way this can work out great for all of us. So instead of having physical groups, that's going to be replaced by two things, these handouts. So if we were having a normal CLAS, I would just give you these handouts in person, and then we would work on them together. Try these handouts by yourself first. This is a good opportunity for you to try these questions on your own and be okay, I got it, or okay, I don't got it. The way you can find the answers to the handout and explanation is through these YouTube videos, which you are watching right now. So congrats on getting here. Definitely try the handout first before you go into the videos. All of these will be found on Gaucho Space. So if you're getting this email, you should be enrolled in a Gaucho Space. If not, email me. But it's different, it says CLAS, so it's not your regular lecture Gaucho Space, but it's really similar. We have a forum. This is where you can ask questions. You can also email me questions. If you email me a question, I'm probably going to post it on the forum so that way people know that you're asking questions. This will probably be better for CLAS related questions. So Sylvester already has her own Chem 1A forum. Definitely use that. That's where everyone is. But yeah, I'll be here. There's also, I'll talk about this in the next slide, but there's Zoom drop-in. So you can't come into the drop-in room, but I'll be here every Thursday from 10 to 12, just sitting in this garage, waiting for you to come in and ask questions. So my first couple drop-ins, I'll probably just be doing chem questions. And then when you guys show up, I'll be oh, here's my work, right? So that way you can get more used to doing, getting help via Zoom. And then in the weeks tab, it'll be what you expect. So you'll see the handout for that session or those sessions of the week. And this is where I'll be posting the YouTube videos. Obviously there's no links right now because I'm recording this video right now, so it doesn't exist yet. But yeah, everything should be on Gaucho Space. I haven't had a Gaucho Space yet, so this is super exciting to have everything you guys need in one place. But yes, so online groups, that's basically the handout in the videos. Then there's drop-in for live stuff. If you guys, we might add more hours, depending on how much you guys use it. But yeah, I'll be here for you guys. But yeah, I really want to stay in touch this quarter, so feel free to email me. I'm really open to suggestions this quarter. So if there's topics that you want to go over, oh, can we do redox reactions, please? Email me. If you guys all want to do it, sure, I will make a video of it. If you need help like studying for CHEM, like if you find yourself later in the quarter being like, I'm trying really hard but not getting the results that I want, feel free to email me, email Sylvester. If there's something in the video that's not quite clear that you want more clarification on, totally please email me. I'm sure like if there's like a tiny slip up in the video, like everyone else's question too, so let me know. But yeah, any just like questions you have, like I'm here for you guys. In general for CHEM, I have like little bits of advice. Definitely get help, but I think a big mistake students often make is they look at a question, they're like, I don't know how to solve this. And then right away they like, Georgia, like, how do I solve this? So you're gonna get a lot more out of this class if you kind of like put in the work, you know, break out a sweat. Like if you see a question, you don't know how to solve it, don't jump to ask for help first. Be like, okay, how am I supposed to know this? Am I supposed to know this from the book? Kind of like read through the book a little bit. Am I supposed to know this from lecture? Like go through your lecture slides, your lecture notes, and then you might get like some pieces of the puzzle. And then once you get there, ask me, right? If that doesn't work out for you, like I'm here, but I don't want to like rob you of like the learning opportunity of like figuring out a question on your own. But I will be there to guide you. Also with book problems, a lot of times people will do a book problem, check the answer, they're like, oh, I got it wrong. This must be the time to check the solutions. No, that's not the time to check the solutions. Once you realize you get it wrong, cover up the solutions, like don't look at them, and then flip back to your notes, flip back to the book, right? Figure out like what you went wrong or where you went wrong. So yeah, definitely give yourself a chance first. Like you know more about CHEM than you think you do. And yeah, and then once you've tried on your own, totally come to me for help. Like I would be so happy to help you, as you can probably tell, because I've said it 1,000 times. Also, like if you ever do get help on a question, so like it's your first time trying a question, you need help, you need to check the solutions, and then you're like, oh yeah, like I super get how to do this problem. You're like, yay, I got it. Thanks for helping me. And then the next day you just like completely forget. You want to avoid that. So one thing you should do is if you have a really hard question, you need help on it, give yourself like that pat on the back when you figure it out with your help, but then the next day you want to retry that question without any help, right? So that way you can make sure like, oh, okay, I actually like remember how to solve this, right? Sometimes students will come to drop-in and they'll get help on a question, they'll be like, yay, I did it. And then they'll take the quiz, it'll be the same question, but they don't remember how to do it because they haven't done it on their own yet. So redo really hard questions that you need a lot of help with for sure. Also staying up to date with book problems. Like if you are able to do the hard book problems, you will be able to do all of the test questions, like no problem at all. And I will super be here for help with book problems. But yeah, anyways, I will see you guys later. Go and check out the next videos. And I'm excited to working with you guys this quarter.